Bill Gowdy checking in. Lucy Lou too. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Got a lot of things to do. Check them out. Can you see this? Kershaw 1320. Yeah. I got that caught. You got that caught, and I bent that clip, and you know, it's spring steel. It doesn't want to just bend back. So my plan is just go ahead and take that off and bend it back. But yeah, that's not good. So that sticks out now and makes it even worse catching on things. I want that in tight. Looks like an Allen, but it's not. It's a star. A small star bit. That's what did it. That's bigger. It's a star. That's a star also. But don't use an Allen. Well, my smallest Allen would fit, but not just perfect. This fits perfect. Problem solved. Look at that, will you? Problem solved until the next time I catch it. Man, what a source of aggravation that was. I guess I should have left the leaves on. Show you, this is a kohlrabi, garden fresh kohlrabi, I might add. The roots are down here, it grows out and it just grows in a ball just like a baseball. And yeah, I'm going to use kohlrabi in my soup. It's a nice, you know, it's bland. It's like, man, I don't know, like a turnip, I guess. It would be very much like a turnip. But I got to skin it and I'm going to slice it. And it'll be a lot like watercress. Give you a little crunch. Since I don't put potatoes in my soup, I'm going to use this in lieu of the potatoes. It's just a nice white or greenish white flesh. I think it has a sweet, kind of a sweet flavor to it. But I've washed these all off. I'm going to dice them up small. Oh, I love the mushrooms. This is a secret ingredient. Broccoli, but I just use the stem. Yeah, just like the kohlrabi, I'll cut them up in little chunks. And that will be, oh man, that's good. This is where I differ a lot with the low carb people. The same thing with the barley. You know, I don't eat that much grains without being sprouted, and the barley outweighs. Same thing with the carrot. The fiber in the carrot outweighs the amount of sugar that's in it. It does not spike your blood sugar, and that's what I'm looking for. You know, no spiking of the blood sugar. Yeah, it's a blurry line of the carbs. You talk about net carbs or you talk about actual carbs. Again, I limit my consumption, so it's not like I'm doing it every day. And so far it's been working for me. I'm just cubing up the beef. Look at the goodness. That smells so good. Oh, it cuts so nice. Thank you, Camp Maid. This is just an awesome Dutch oven, I'm telling you. The link for them will be down below. Enter Gowdy20, get 20% off. It takes longer for all the prep than it does to cook this. Beef broth. My plan is to put this on. You see how that's all beef broth in there. And I'll add water to this after this cooks down a little bit. Those veggies are going to put out some water and it'll cook down. Now really, that meat is already cooked and it's just a matter of if I want to make those, how tender I want to make those vegetables. This would be ready in a half hour, 45 minutes I suppose. But really, if you put barley in it, which I'm going to do, it takes about 45 minutes to an hour for that barley. But I won't add the barley till about an hour before I'm going to eat it. So you can see right now it's all juice and veggies. That will reduce. It will gain and then it will reduce. And then I'll probably add some more water. We'll see how that goes. I didn't have to use a kickstand, but I'll tell you what, it gave me a nice place to hold that lid. That's what it was really nice. It's not hot or anything. I haven't even put it on the fire yet. But yeah, it's a handy dandy little tool made by Camp Maid. It really is. About an hour before I'm done, I'm adding the organic rice cauliflower. It looks good. In here I have about a half a cup of barley. Look at the goodness. Yeah, you heard me say it. Look at that. Oh my. Let's dig into that, shall we? That smells so good. Look at that. Now this is a soup, not a stew. Look at that. Oh. Look at the juices. I want butter beans in there. I don't eat crackers anymore. I used to. I don't. If I had to have crackers, I think I'd use those low-carb tortillas. That'd be a help. Wow. Is that so good? I can taste well, not only the smokiness flavor, but I can taste the jalapeno. And those jalapenos are right off my plant. Oh, they're so good. Mmm. One of my favorites. Mmm. That is so good, and that beef is so tender. Even more tender now than it was originally. It's even better warmed up. Yeah, there's some carbs in that barley, but I think the health benefits outweigh the amount of carbs that are in there. There's plenty of fiber, and the fiber mixed with it is what makes that work. I want to finish eating. Thank you for watching. Look at that. Go Gotti out. Man, that is good. You out? Are you out? Lucy's out too. Really out this time. Recently I cleaned this hill off. I just raked it and exposed some bulbs. And look what popped up. They are awesome. I don't know, is that lilies? Long stems right out of a bulb. I don't know what they are, and I don't ever recall ever seeing them before. But there's definitely a group of them, and they're right there on that terrace. Isn't that awesome?